an adjoining room with the housekeeper to receive her assistance. She was obliged to leave the door ajar as she found it, but by engaging the housekeeper...
It's worth a great deal more than any little exertion it needs. It is a great pleasure where one can indulge in it. There are not many houses that I should presume on so far, but in coming home...
People where you can understand you.
Don't shout at them.
Watch out!
What'd she say?
They weren't even going to go into the road, so they gave us the finger for honking at them.
How are we supposed to know that? They stopped like 10 centimeters from the road.
Oh my god.
It's not that I get off from being degraded as such, she says. I just like to
know about all this? Everything about Tesla? Sure, of course. We've got the journal, and this here controller, everything. They don't know about it in your dimension?
Oh my god. Which way are you going? Okay. Oh my god.
Thanks for pointing that out. Appreciate it.
Alright, hope you can use this on the podcast. Alright, so I'm going to play it again so you can hear it, but I want to read
Oh my god.
piece of information that Justice Smith had sent in as well. He said, hey,
It's the stairs that go up, by the way. Well. So early. Oh. It's my manager.
Hey, sorry.
thank you, Jay.
It's time for science or fiction.
Each week, I come up with 3 science news items or facts to... Okay, that's enough.
No. There's more. It's like over.
Mustache that made everyone think he was a cop, and he really didn't like cops. He was a barrel-chested brawler who had run away from home when he was 15 and did time for punching a detective in the face and later acquired a heroin addiction. He was able to pull himself from the abyss and transform himself into a hard-working family man. I spent every afternoon after school alone in the basement, surrounded by Chewbacca, G.I. Joe, and the $6 Million Man, waiting for Dad to come home. He would arrive around 5 p.m., covered in dust from sanding lead paint off the houses of rich people in Great Neck or Garden City. Slow, deliberate manner of speaking. Rose and June were planning a trip to Mendocino, a coastal town 3 hours north of San Francisco, but June ended the call quickly. Rose presumed she had a fight with Vanner and let it go.
It's outside the city, or this is coming from agricultural burning, and the reality is, like, Delhi is responsible for a lot of Delhi's pollution problems.
Absolutely.
Now, a lot of this research is just confirming what the scientists at Urban Emissions had really been seeing in their models